Who are you?
Ballerina.
Angelina Ballerina. Show me your ballerina moves. Wow. That's really good. Oh, and look, Jason's getting his toy. Come and get it.
Do I see my other one?
Yeah, you should do it in the kitchen, where there's hard floor. Oh!
That's my hand touching floor.
Okay.
That's my next part.
What kind of ballerina moves do you know how to do? What are they called?
Bean ends.
Bean ends?
No, knee bends.
Knee bends. Okay, show me some knee bends. Good. What else can you do?
I can do this.
What's it called?
It's called throwing